Hi everyone, Set It Are You Cars. This is our 2008 58 registered Audi S5. Being a 58, it is the 4.2 V8 and this one is 6-speed manual. Proper driver's car. It's finished in Phantom Black. 72,000 miles. Something ridiculous like 15 services with it. Fantastic spec. It's got the honeycomb front grills. The 19-inch alloys, all with premium brand tyres. Very, very, very clean and tidy car. Within the service history, it's had a recent walnut blast and decoke, which is quite important if you're looking at buying one of these older V8s. As you'll see, condition-wise, it's lovely. It's got the front and rear parking sensors. Quad tip exhausts. It sounds fantastic. And it's just really clean and tidy. Definitely not been abused. It's clearly been cherished. All the brakes are good. All the tyres are really good. You're going to find the odd stone chip and bits on this. But at this age, it needs to be expected. It's got advanced key, comfort pack, Bang & Olufsen, Sat Nav Plus, a really fantastic spec. I'll show you inside. Begin with the boot. Really good boot, split fold rear seats, and you get a space saver spare wheel. No nasties to report in there. In the car, it's got the black napper. Very nice condition. Bit of wear on the driver's bolster, but that's to be expected. Other than that, very, very, very pretty interior. The rear seats look like new, with the Isofix and the centre armrest. You've got your memory seat pack there, folding mirrors, carbon trim, Bang & Olufsen audio, auto lights and wipers, cruise control obviously is part of the comfort pack, the all important third pedal down there, look. These V8s are so much better in manual than the 6-speed auto. Got your 3-spoke steering wheel with your contrast stitch. I'll just start the car, let you see there's no warnings. Just have a listen to this V8. I won't rev it just yet, but as you see there are no warnings. All the lights go out as they should, and the mileage is 72,548. It's got DAB radio. It's got your media pack with the music interface and CD changer. Bluetooth telephone. Navigation with a CarPlay style system. As you see, just flicks through from one to the other, but the original navigation is still there and working. All your other bits and bobs. We've got heated seats just there, and the dual climate control. As I say, 6-speed manual, advanced key, so it's keyless start. Check that carbon fibre out. It's not a wrap, that is genuine factory ordered, called Carbon Atlas trim. Centre armrest with your cup holders. In the glove box you've got your AMI and your handbox, and that is about it. I'll just put the window down a bit. We don't usually do this, but I'll give her a little rev for some of you. Listen to that. Absolutely cracking. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.